So today we will learn how to edit patient details, or how a staff can change or a doctor can change patient details. Okay. So first we will try to edit a patient name or mobile number which is already present in our system. Okay. So the staff or a doctor needs to search that patient details in all patients. So they have to just click on all patients and they can either search by patient name. Okay. So suppose if they want to change like any patient name. Okay, suppose there is a patient name called uh, Duty. Okay, you can see there is a patient named Duty. They want to, the patient staff or a doctor wants to change, so they have to just simply click on this Duty here on the, they need to click on the patient name. Once they click on that, on the top they have to click on edit. Okay, they have to click on edit. Once they just click on edit, they can change either the phone number. Okay, so the phone number I'm just putting it as 19942. Okay, I'll just do that and I can just click on update. Once I just click on update, so you can see guys, it it has changed over here. This has been changed. So if you go again to the home button, okay, and if you try to go in all patients again, and if you search Yuti, okay, so you can see it has changed. The mobile number has been changed here over here. Okay, so you can also change the patient name also and it will reflect the same. Okay, now suppose a staff has added a patient, okay, in the appointment. So I will just show you how a patient or a staff can change or a doctor can change while he is adding a new patient. Okay, so suppose let me just add a new patient. I'll click on add new patient and I'm adding a mobile number something like this, 789 123 456 0. Okay, I will just add salutation. Okay, suppose let us understand it is Yuvraj. Okay, Yuvraj, same for an example. Okay, I will put it age as 45, select gender as male. So once I just select the gender as male, I will click on add patient. Okay, once I just click on add patient and I will go to add to queue, I will, or otherwise I will click on book appointment, either of the both, right? So I will just show you from book appointment. For an example, I will just click on book appointment and suppose it's of 2:30 p.m. I'll just select 2:30 p.m. and it's been added. Okay, once the appointment is added, I will just close it, so it will take me to this page. Okay, yeah. So now if suppose Yuvraj says that there is a change in mobile number, it is not 7891234, it is 789 324. Okay, it is showing 123, it is 324. So how to change that? Click on start visit. Okay, the staff needs to click on start visit here. You have to click on start visit, go in edit here, go in edit, click over here and change it like it is, it's 1324. Okay, they can change it, and if they want to change any name spelling mistakes, they can do it, and they can click on update. Once they just click on update, and now if they click on home button, it will ask, do you want to end this visit? And they have to click on no. Okay, once they just click on no, you can see the mobile number has been changed over here. Now if a doctor comes now, so he will find the correct phone number, and if they just click on resume visit, they will able to create the prescription. And one more thing guys, if the doctor has created a prescription on the wrong number itself, completed the prescription, then again it will not change in the prescription. Okay, once the prescription is created with a wrong number, it will be with the same. It cannot, we cannot change the prescription part. But if once the prescription is given and the patient says that no, I have to change my details, so we can also do it from the home button. And let me just click on no here. Okay, and go in all patients. So from all patients, as I said previously, you can search whether with Yuvraj. If you select Yuvraj, this is the phone number. You can see it is the corrected one. You can again click over here and click on edit and do it. Okay, You can change the phone number or patient name. So this is regarding the patient edit. Okay. Yes. So I will just brief you once more. Just go, if you want to change it, any patient, existing patient, you have to go in all patients and you have to click on the patient name. Okay. You have to click on the patient name. If you want to change anything in the appointments, you have to click on the start visit and then go in the edit section and you have to change it.